Come with me, let's make this delicious and yummy okra soup. Very simple to make. We have smoked crayfish, different types of crayfish, dawa dawa, aka locust beans. We have smoked fish, cut okra, assorted pepper, as you can see, and we have cow skin, aka momo, cow leg, and assorted meat. Any type of meat, just use. I use turkey this time. I use smoked turkey. I chop the okra because I need some crunchiness in this okra soup, not just the slime. I also chop some parsley inside it and assorted pepper that you saw me showing you earlier on. In the pot, I already added the smoked fish and the oporoko. I'm now adding onion and shrimp blend. I also blended the frozen okra
just added palm oil. Add palm oil.
One thing about okra is that once you have the prep work done, it's as good as done because it's so simple. Everything is boiled together in one pot. You don't have to do nothing. You cannot do it wrong. Just don't overcook the okra. Taste as you go for salt and you're good to go. I added now the blended okra just for the slime. I like that slime that reminds me of abono soup. As I said again, I only added 2 tablespoonfuls of palm oil. Unbelievable. Look at the color. Look at this deliciousness. Nom, nom, nom. At this point, please do subscribe, share this video to people who would like to watch it. Share, like. I added black pepper, freshly blended black pepper, and dawa dawa. I used my coffee blender for that. And then I chopped the okra that is chopped and the pepper and the parsley. I showed you earlier on in the introduction. I added it. Now that gives that cosmetic touch, and I like the crunch and the freshness from the parsley. That bitter taste contrasts to the sweet okra. I just like contrast in food. It's just so good. It was so delicious. I served with gari, eba fufu, any kind of fufu that you like. Or you can just scoop it and just scoop it and eat it like that. Thank you so much for watching.